make sure the paper is colour side up. Firstly, fold one corner to the other to make a triangle. Then fold this bottom corner to the other bottom corner to create a crease. Fold this top flap here down to the bottom of the triangle to create a crease. Then fold the top flap to the crease we've just made. This has created a new crease. Then do the same again with this brand new crease here. Fold the top corner on the other side to align with the other corner. You should now have something that looks like this. With all these creases facing towards you, fold this flap here halfway up like so. Then fold the whole thing in half. Take this bottom corner and fold it up at an angle like so, leaving the back here sticking out. Then take this flap and fold it around to the other side. Fold this part here over the wing to make a crease. Open it up and fold the back part inwards like so. Take this bottom corner and fold it to create a crease. Then fold both the corners inwards. Lastly, take this red section here and pinch it upwards like so.